Shopify automation that sends orders to Google Sheets, no manual work. In this video, I am going to teach you how to automatically send your Shopify orders straight into Google Sheets, so you never have to manually copy, paste, or export a CSV file again. If you're running a Shopify store, tracking sales manually eats up time you could be spending on actually growing your business. With this automation, every new order gets logged into a spreadsheet the moment it comes in, giving you a live, always up-to-date order log. Let's set it up. Step 1. Prepare your Google Sheet first. Create a new spreadsheet and add column headers in the first row for whatever order details you want to track. Things like order number, date, customer name, product, quantity, and total. Step 2. Log into Zapier and click Create Zap. This is the automation tool that connects Shopify and Google Sheets together without any coding required. Step 3. Choose Shopify as your trigger app and select New Paid Order as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to start the automation the moment a customer completes a purchase. Step 4. Connect your Shopify account by entering your store URL and granting permissions. Once connected, Zapier will pull in a sample order from your store so you can test that everything's working. Step 5. Set Google Sheets as your action app and choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. Then connect your Google account and select the spreadsheet you prepared earlier. Step 6. Map your Shopify order fields to the correct spreadsheet columns. This is where you tell Zapier exactly which piece of order data goes into which column. Step 7. Test the Zap by sending a sample order through. Check your Google Sheet to confirm a new row appeared with the correct order details filled in. Step 8. Turn the Zap on. Once it's active, Zapier will monitor your Shopify store around the clock and automatically add a new row every time an order comes in. Here's a pro tip. If your orders often include multiple products, use Zapier's looping feature to give each product its own row instead of cramming them all into one messy cell. This makes your sheet far easier to read for tracking and reporting. So that's how you can fully automate your Shopify order tracking with Google Sheets, no manual work required. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more automation tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other Shopify workflow should I automate next.